President Trump's sweeping and severe new tariffs on more than 180 countries prompted a sell-off in stock markets in the U.S. and abroad, raising investor alarm over looming trade wars and accelerating inflation as the levies threatened to increase prices for consumers. At the open of regular U.S. trading Thursday, the S&P 500 index was down 3.4%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite tumbled 4.5%, continuing the ongoing slide in financial markets since Trump took back the White House. Trump unveiled the new reciprocal tariff planned after the close of U.S. markets Wednesday. The resulting stock market carnage spanned industries, hammering tech, retail, and automotive companies, including Elon Musk's Tesla, down more than 4%, particularly hard. Big losers in the tech sector seeing declines were Amazon, minus 6.8%, Apple, minus 8.2%, Meta, minus 7.4%, Alphabet, minus 3.6%, and Nvidia, minus 5.7%. Media players pulled lower included Disney, minus 4.9%, Netflix, minus 2.2%, Warner Bros. Discovery, minus 4.9%, and Fox Corporation, minus 1.8%. Trump's jaw-dropping reciprocal tariffs are illogical and absurd, Wedbush Securities tech analyst Dan Ives wrote in a research note issued April 3rd. The tariff numbers the White House unveiled Wednesday are factually incorrect about the levies countries charge the U.S., according to Ives. We have to assume this is the start of a negotiation and these rates will not hold. Stocks will sell off massively, but ultimately our view is these numbers would throw the U.S. into a clear recession and cause stagflation almost immediately if Trump's tariff rates remain in place. Other analysts also see Trump's moves as short-term negotiating tactics. The unveiling of new U.S. tariff terms has jolted markets, but the extreme nature of the proposed measures points to a high likelihood that these will ultimately prove short-lived. Tom Lee, managing partner and head of research at Fundstrat Global Advisors, wrote in a note. Still, regardless of near-term impact, the changes set in place by the U.S. government will likely have permanent consequences for global trade and companies who operate globally, independent media analyst Brian Weiser wrote in a note Wednesday. He said retail media and digital media will be significantly impacted by these tariffs, especially given the steep levies on China, 54%, and Vietnam, 46%, which are meaningful trading partners for tech giants Meta and Amazon.